Hi guys, this is Dylan from Blogger Nations. In this video, I'll be reviewing the live streaming platform called Melon App, which is from the same developers of the all popular StreamLabs, that is part of the Logitech family. Before getting into the video, if you like this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell button to receive notifications whenever my videos go live. If you are interested in getting your hands on this deal, feel free to make use of my affiliate link, which is given in the description below. As an affiliate, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my affiliate link at no extra cost to you. Before getting into the Melon app, first let's take a look at their regular plans and pricing, and then compare it with the lifetime deal they are currently running. First, let's go to their official website. As you can see, first they have a free plan which comes with a certain number of restrictions, such as the streaming limit is restricted up to 4 hours and the participants is capped at 2, and it also comes with limited brand customization and branded watermark. But the best thing about the free plan is you don't have to add credit card to use the Melon app. You can just sign up for a free account and start using it instantly. Next, they have the standard plan, which comes at $15 a month. In this plan, you get everything that comes with the free plan, plus other premium features such as unlimited branding, disconnect protection, custom RTMP, 15 days recording storage, upload media files 150 MB limit per file. And next you have the Pro plan, which comes at $49 a month. In this plan you get everything that comes with the standard plan, plus other premium features such as full HD, upload media files 300 MB limit per file, 30 days recording storage, and priority support. Of course, you can offer the annual subscription, in which you can save up to $138. As of now, they are running a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which costs around $99. Now let's compare what they have to offer in this lifetime deal. They are offering 9 participants, unlimited streaming destinations, up to 10 hours recording time, 30 days recording storage, 300 MB limit upload media files, full HD 1080p, 60 days money back guarantee, and a host of other premium features. As you can see, unlike other AppSumo deals, they don't have tier plans. Instead, they have just one plan with higher number of features compared to their regular plans. As for the previous live streaming deals on AppSumo, they have a Restream, then they have a BeLive, OneStream, and Switchboard, but they came with their own set of restrictions. And Melon app, from my experience, is one of the best live stream platform deals you can find on AppSumo as of now. Now let's get into the Melon app to see how it works. This is the interface of the Melon app. As you can see, it's a web-based tool, so you don't have to download anything at all. On the left, you can see invite guest. In this, you get three options. You can either copy the link or generate new link, or you can email the link directly. So this is the link you will be sharing with your guests to join in your streams. And on the left, you will see a widget. This is where you are going to manage your streams. You can either show the stream or you can either stream. So that's it for the left side. Now let's get into the bottom part. In the bottom part, first you can see audio and video. As you can see, since I haven't connected my audio or video, it shows a cross sign. If you are connected, it won't show this cross sign. When you go to the audio, you can see three different options. You can first see microphone monitor, then next you can see audio input, and last you can see audio output. Same goes for the video. You can adjust your video input and you can choose between different video resolutions. As for the share, you can either share your screen, you can share your video, or you can share your audio files to add music to your live streams. As for the screen share, you get three options. You can choose to screen share either the full screen or the window or the specific Chrome tab. Also, you can choose between different live streaming layouts to choose your preferences. Next, we have the record button, and last we have the go live button. So that's it for the bottom section. Now let's look at the right section of the Melon app. First, we have the menu here. When you click the menu, you get to see a different set of options. First, you will see the Designs tab. This is where you are going to manage your themes, logos and overlays. Let's click on it. As you can see, you can select from a different set of pre-made themes. If you are not satisfied with these themes, you can edit your current theme according to your taste. Also, you can choose between different overlays for your streams. Now also you can upload your own logos for even more personalization. That's it for the design section. Now let's get to the text section. In this section, you will be able to edit the banner, which is this, and you will be also able to edit the ticker, which is this. Of course, I have chosen Dylan as for an example. You can drag it anywhere across the screen to fit your streams, and also you can edit your ticker screen to match your requirements. That's it for the text part. Next, we have the video tab. This is where you are going to manage your intros, outros and green screen. Let's click onto it. As you can see, they have a set of pre-made intros from which you can choose. You can upload your own intros if you are not satisfied with these pre-made intros. And next we have the green screen. You can enable green screen if you have one, and they also given green color options such as green and blue, and they also have given a couple of screen print backgrounds. If you are not satisfied with these options, you can upload your own backgrounds, and you can also adjust the green screen fade intensity to blend in with your backgrounds. That's it for the video section. Now let's get into the settings section. In this section, you can play around with output options. You can play with participants. You can change your participants' name. You can set their stream avatar. You can show the participant's name. You can show your participant's audio status. You can announce via audio when a guest joins your stream. You can show a visual indicator over the active speaker on stream. You can display participants' names at the bottom of their videos. As for the ticker, they have given you two options. You can either reverse the direction of the sticker or you can show the sticker on top. That's it for the settings section. Now as for the apps section, as I have said previously, Melon App is from the same developers of the StreamLabs. They allow you to integrate Melon with StreamLabs such as widgets by StreamLabs, CloudBot by StreamLabs, and socials by Twitter. So this is a cool feature, integration feature if you already own StreamLabs. That's it for the menu section. Now let's get into the chat section. As you can see, chat section is divided into two parts. The first is called Stream. This is where you get to see the universal messages across multiple platforms. And in private chat, you are going to see the private chat between your invited private guest. This is a cool feature as most of the other live streaming platforms does not offer a private chat feature. So that's it for the chat. Now let's get into the schedule. You can schedule your live streams vice versa. When you click the schedule, you have to add your destination and follow the set of steps to schedule your stream to give a heads up to your audience when you will be streaming. So that's it for the right side. Now let's get into the settings section to see what they have to offer. This is the backstage of the Melon app. First we have the destinations. When you click at destinations, you can live stream to multiple platforms such as YouTube, Facebook profile, Facebook page, Facebook group, LinkedIn, Twitch and Twitter. If you want to live stream to an external platform that is not listed here, you can add custom RTMP, which is a cool feature. Next we have the broadcast and recordings. This is where you will access your past broadcast. It stores the 15 most recent broadcasts and it will be deleted 15 days for standard members and 30 days for pro members. So this is a cool feature if you want to reference to your past recordings and even download them. And next we have profiler. In this section you will be able to test your hardware such as camera, audio, etc. And next we have billing, account, contact support, which I don't have to explain. They are pretty much self-explanatory. Now let's get into the Melon dashboard itself. So that's it for the Melon app. As for the competition, Melon app's closest competitor is Restream. Next, Switchboard is also considered a competitor. They of course support multi-streaming platform, but they don't have a unified message chats, which is a bumper. And we have Streamyard, which is considered a more premium alternative, which could be costly. So Melon app is almost over the top when you compare it to its competitors and their offerings. Now let's get into the Melon app's cons. The first con of the Melon app is it does not support multiple cameras. In that case, you need a virtual external platform such as OBS or StreamLabs itself. also when you go live in Facebook groups, it does not show the commenter's name due to the Facebook privacy issues, but I hope it will get fixed soon in their next patches. And also they don't support Instagram live feed, and also they have a bit of compatibility issues with Safari browser. That's it for the Melon app review. If you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel and check my affiliate link in the description below if you are interested in getting your deal. And also, if you have any doubts or questions or have personal experience with Melon app, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'll be replying to every one of your comments. Until then, bye. It's Dylan. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys.